Hey guys, Ethan here with Waker, and today we're going to be talking about a couple Nerf guns that I like. So the first one is the Demolish 2-in-1. I added this thrower scope, but we don't need that. So anyway, it comes with a 10-round clip, except I have my sling fire clip in it.
Yep.
So if you haven't seen that, it's just a little bit. Anyway, so moving on to the next one. The next one is a sharp fire. I like this because it's a single shot and the stock holds extra bullets. Next. That's called a clip.
It's called a clip.
Next one is the Magnus. So I added my modulus handle and this string thing to the rifle.
It hurts.
Yeah, and it really hurts. So if you get hit by it in the face, it's gonna hurt badly. So moving on to the next one.
Oh crap!
Next one. Here, you get this one. I saw it. Anyway, you get this one. Don't show it yet. You show it the last one. Next one I like. Can't reach it. Gosh dang it. That's why I always get prepared for a video. Next one I like. Yeah, I'm probably thinking the Jolt, but it's not. It is the Triad. If I'm pronouncing that right. Moving on.
Said lots about that one.
Huh?
Said lots about that one.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I also hold with 3 darts.
Yeah. But one of them it shoots, so it can really only hold 2 darts. Boom.
Shut up. Moving on to the next one.
And then it shoots the next one, and then it can only hold 1 dart. And then
We have the flip theory. Moving on, and bye. I'm kidding. You got the flip trigger right here. You got a flip trigger right here.
I like the little thing at the bottom.
Yeah, this right here.
I hold on to that.
With this. You cock it back, you pull the trigger, and it keeps on going. Once you run out of bullets in this thing, you switch to the next one. So that was one of my favorite. I could have got the modulus, but it's for some reason out of batteries. So I'll see you guys in the next video.